I'm Kay, and today I'm going to be opening an LOL box that says Dance BB. And I was supposed to get it in March, but I got it in April, and I'm barely opening it now. So yeah, I really want to take a peek. So I'm going to open it. It has 3 LOLs on it. Whoa. Right here it says dance floor. And these are so many boxes. I'm gonna open them. First one, there's this little mini thing. Cutterfly. I'll read it later. This is a fin.
You don't need scissors.
Okay. What is this? Ooh! 3 bracelets. 1 white, 1 pink, and 1 purple. Okay, next is a really small artifact. Let's see what it is. Ooh, I got 2 pins. One that says player 1 and one that says player 2. It's actually kind of like for a video game, maybe. This one's pretty long. See, this one is better. Ooh, they're like clips. One says BB Dance Party, one has a girl's face on it. The other one says Group Squad.
Let me see it again. Oh, okay. They're hairpins.
Yeah, they're hairpins. Cute little hairpins. Oh gosh, this one's ginormous. I'm gonna open this one. It's
in a box.
a bag in a box.
No, box in a bag.
A box. Wait, no. A box in a bag that's in a box. I'm confusing myself. All right, let's try to open this thing. What is this? I have no idea what this is actually.
Let me see.
It's like a little looking notebook, and then you said,
Oh, it's just like a mirror.
oh,
It's like a little mirror stand.
oh, dang. Okay, wow, cool, 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 cool. Cool. You didn't hear that. Ooh, what is this? A board game. I already got another board game. Let's see. I just went slanted. That didn't work. Please stand by. Ugh.
What is it?
LED table light.
LED.
I want to open it.
Okay, try to open it.
This is what my LED.
Should we get batteries? Let me see.
Yeah. This is what my LED table looks like, as you can see.
Open the bottom. Let me see. What size batteries?
My mom's gonna check the batteries so we can see it glow.
Oh, you need 3.
My mom put batteries in the LED light, so now we can see them glow in the dark. This is heavy. Ooh. Cool. It's like red think that's what the thing had, right? I think it was me on that. But ooh, I'm gonna turn. I like this.
Turn out.
Let me turn it off. That's cool. Okay, the next big thing is clothes. I can feel it. Feels like clothes. Clothes. What is this one?
Oh, that's cute. I like that one better than the last one.
Okay, I have no idea what this is. And it's big. A box. It's in a box. Told you it was in a box. Okay, I already reviewed this. It's a box in a bag in a box. Cool. What is this? It doesn't have any directions.
That's rude.
Ooh, you're careful. I don't know what this is. Ooh, is this like a water bottle maybe? Ooh. It says loading, player 1, player 2.
Let me see.
And it says power up right here.
That's
It's
cute.
cute.
Is it like hard or is it like glass or plastic? No, it's plastic. But it's hard plastic.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. And I really like the box. I like the LED light and the mirror and the water bottle and the bracelets and the shirt. It's actually really comfy shirt, actually. And I really like all this stuff. So, bye.